Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll show you how to make a realistic product mockup in Photoshop. For the selection, go to Image menu, then choose Subject. After selection, press Ctrl+J. Now add your poster image. Select poster image, right-click, then choose Create Clipping Mask. Adjust your poster. Change his blending normal to linear burn. Now make his duplicate and change his blending normal to multiply. Decrease the opacity of both layers like this. Okay, you done? Looks perfect. Hope you liked it. Subscribe for more videos.